You sit down to code, but you end up spending hours tweaking instructions just to get a single, usable function. The result of this friction is usually lazy boilerplate, often sloppy system architecture, and code hallucinations you fix yourself. A developer named Misatarsky built a solution that bypasses this cycle. It is a GitHub repository called Agency Agents that fundamentally changes the way the AI handles your requests. This chart shows the volume of interest. While a standard utility repo might get a few hundred forks, this project has reached over 14,000 forks and 89,000 stars. Despite that massive scale, it remains an under-the-radar resource for most mainstream developers. This repository moves away from the standard prompt library model. It focuses on a system that manages AI intelligence through specialization. The repository provides 121 highly specialized agent personalities, each designed with a specific set of domain-aware instructions. Loading these personalities allows a single developer to delegate tasks to a full team of virtual specialists. The roster covers 8 major departments. It includes specialists for engineering, design, marketing, sales, and finance. Every agent in the system is defined by a distinct personality, a rigid workflow, and standardized deliverables. The front-end wizard applies specific rendering constraints, while the reality checker demands visual proof of bug fixes. You can assemble this team for exactly $0. These specialized agents execute strict, production-ready workflows, meaning they follow a step-by-step process rather than just chatting back and forth. This domain-specific focus prevents the AI from falling into vague, unhelpful outputs. By utilizing specialized expertise, the system translates your intent into a professional deliverable. The repository includes automated convert and install scripts that move these agents out of your browser. These scripts integrate the agents directly into AI-native IDEs like Claude Code, Cursor, and Antigravity. Running these specialists from your terminal removes the friction of switching tabs, making the agency a part of your local environment. The repository demonstrates the power of this collaboration through a case study called the Nexus Spatial Discovery. In this experiment, 8 specialized agents were deployed simultaneously to solve a single complex problem. The test utilized a trend researcher, a backend architect, a UX researcher, and 5 other department heads to analyze a software opportunity. The agents generated a unified product plan that included everything from market validation to technical architecture. This entire cross-functional collaboration happened within a single work session. The Nexus study proves that when these agents work in parallel, a single person can complete the planning phases of a project in minutes. Writing every line of code manually is becoming a bottleneck. Modern development requires high-level system management and the orchestration of specialized agents. This tool moves you out of the chat box and into a supervisory role, where you act as the director of the digital agency living on your machine. Productivity now depends on how effectively you coordinate the specialized logic stored on your local drive. If you want to stay updated as these workflows evolve, subscribe to the channel. We review tools like this every week. Coming up next, we're breaking down the 140K star agent harness optimization system to show you how to increase the performance of your local models. The tools to build your next project are already available. Now it's just a matter of deploying them. We'll see you in the next one.